So my wife went out of town, and she's gonna kill me because I picked up another little motorcycle. And what I got was a 2024 CFMOTO Papio SS. It's a little 126cc 4-stroke single cylinder mini bike. I think it puts out 10 horsepower. It's really cool looking though. It looks different from the Groms and the Benellis. It's got a retro look, and it does have a 6th gear. That's what I think makes it so special. All those other bikes really needed a 6th gear. Believe it or not, they only used to have 4 gears, but the Benelli came out with the 5th gear, and the Groms also have a 5th gear now. But I tell you, this 6th gear is great. It makes a difference. Not much, but a difference. The problem is it's a brand new bike, and I'm trying to break it in, so I'm trying not to go over 6,000 RPMs, which really sucks. But yeah, this is a neat little bike. If you're not familiar with them, they're pretty cool. I'll pull over up here, we'll take a look at it. I think it weighs 251 pounds. It's really light. 6 speeds. There's already a bunch of aftermarket parts for it. I've already ordered a C-cow and a fender eliminator kit. I'm gonna try not to get killed here on this little bike. See that guy? Hard to be seen on this little bike. That's the problem around here. I'm in a retirement community too on top of it, so there's a lot of elderly people. So I gotta be careful. Who says there's no curves in Florida? Got roundabouts galore here. I'll have to do a video of all the roundabouts. Here's the new little bike. Again, it's the 2024 CFMOTO Papio SS 126cc bike, 10 horsepower. It's a really cool looking little bike. To be honest with you, I think it's the first motorcycle, and I've had probably 30 over a lifetime. And this is probably going to be the first bike I'm not going to put an exhaust on. It actually sounds pretty good. And where I'm riding it, it's a gated community, 55 and older, big golfing community, so I don't want to rip it around. I feel like as it is right now, I can take it out at nighttime and ride all these roundabouts and have a good time. Not have anybody call the cops on me. But every bike I've ever had, I always put an exhaust on it, but honestly I don't think this one needs it, in my opinion. The older I get, the quieter I want my bikes. It's kind of odd, but it's true. Yeah, this is a neat little bike. I'll go do some rides. I'm testing it, and I'm breaking it in, so I'm taking it easy. Try not to go over 6,000 RPMs, and it's almost impossible to do. But yeah, what a cool little bike. I love it.